guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Carly Ann on YouTube. So today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you a what I got at the mall video, obviously everything I got at the mall. So if you guys are excited to see that, then stay tuned and make sure before this video starts you give this video a big thumbs up and let's try to get this video to 100 likes. So let's get started. Okay, so I went to a few different stores to get my stuff, but mostly everything. These two bags, so I'm gonna just show you all the outfits I got. I just went to the basic mall stores like Forever 21 and everything, but I'll tell you where the clothes are from. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I got is from the store Rainbow, and it is this really cute tube top, and I think it was $10, and it is in the size small. I think it's a small. Yeah, you're probably seeing it on me right now, but super cute. The next store I went to was Arrow, and I got a pair of these light blue ripped jeans, and they're really cute and really soft. They're high-waisted, and yeah, I really like them. Okay, the next store I went to was Forever 21, and the first thing I got was this really cute laced white shirt, and it has flowers on it, and it's cropped, and it's really cute. And then the next thing I got is this really cute bubblegum pink dress. It has a suede material. Next thing I got was this really cute pair of white leggings. It's hard to see, they're high-waisted. They're really high-waisted. And this one was also on the sale rack because it had dirt on it, but it just washed out. Okay, so the next store I went to was Pink. And the first thing I got is this really cute pair of high-waisted biker shorts. They're in the size X small. And they're really cute and they're really comfy, and I really needed a pair of just high-waisted athletic shorts, so yeah, I'm really glad I found these. Next thing I got was this really cute just plain black crew neck kind of pullover thingy. It looks like this, and I got it for honestly really cheap, which is really good because it says it's originally $60 and I think I got it for $15 on sale. So yeah, it's really cute and cozy and soft, and I just love it. I'm so excited to wear this in the winter. The next thing I got from Pink was also on sale, and it's this really cute cropped long sleeve shirt, and it's yellow. Looks like that. It's cropped at the bottom, and this one also had a little bit of dirt on it, but literally you just wash it and it comes out. So but yeah, this is super cute and I love this. I'm again so excited to wear this in the winter, and I just love the color yellow. So yeah, super exciting. Okay, and then the last thing I bought is this really cute short sleeve blush colored shirt from Pink, and the back looks like this. And I'm excited because I can actually wear this one now and I don't have to wait till winter. But yeah, this one was also I think it was $5 on sale. I don't know, it was really cheap, but yeah, it's super cute and it's really soft and comfy. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed my haul video, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe by pressing the red button down below, and give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you like the stuff I got. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! I could be your private island on a different planet.